Today I just had 3 large garbage bags full. It wasn't bad. It was like $14.75 or something, more than I assumed, but I forgot how much recycling I actually had. Cleared out everything I could find in my bedroom. There might be a few stragglers since I need to clean my room, but I got the bulk majority, if not everything. And then went around the back room and the backyard to grab everything I had in trash bag, grocery bags from the last couple months. So that was nice. I did miss out a couple of times. I was too lazy to do the recycling before my dad, and he put it into the bin, and I was too lazy to take it out, so I just left it each time. The 2 to 4 times it happened for the homeless, because on trash day some homeless and one not homeless couple, they'll go up and down my street going through everyone's recycling before the recycling truck comes. It wasn't that much, so it was okay. Maybe $5 at most, probably less though. So not too upsetting. Kind of annoyed. I should have waited till I went on another ride with this seat, even though I hadn't ridden for a couple days, because I didn't feel good. And then I had to find a new tire and tube for the front wheel because both decided to explode on me, even though when I put them on they were both new at that time. I had just had them sitting around for this wheel, I just had never put them on, so that was strange. So yeah, I didn't ride my bike for 3 days, but then when I put this seat on, I was singing praises because it was so snug. But then as soon as I got on, it started swigging and swaying. So now it's annoying because it went from being super snug to super loose. And I hadn't even ridden in however 2 to 3 days, something like that. So that's annoying. Or maybe it happened yesterday, I can't remember. I did ride my bike yesterday to go somewhere, I think. Maybe, possibly. I felt better yesterday. Can't remember though. So yeah, exciting times. I was happy to at least get all my errands done, because of them not accepting my money order. I was glad to get it done because I will need it once I go on Monday. And then I also deposited my check from the recycling, so I actually have some money for the next 3 days. Woohoo! Cowboy. Good thing I'm not a dum-dum and saw he wasn't paying attention. He was paying too much. You would think he would have looked my way, because the sidewalk I was on next to leads from the high school, and yeah, you'd think he would have put the effort to simulate like he was stopping. Ah, shit. Taki mushrooms. I forgot about this. This is gonna suck. Ah, this is the street I need. Good thing no one was coming. How far? Yeah. Ooh, nice little. Don't know if I've ever seen that park. That's cool. I'm stuck. Bike is being less creaky because I've switched cogs. Switched cogs and I put some WD-40. This is all I had. Wouldn't normally, but since all I had, no complaints. Not the proper ideal thing, but whatever. Like a $5 change from Walmart. So, you know. Maybe this is the house. Anything exciting? I'm gonna cut the clip here. Like, share, subscribe. I think this is gonna be the end since it's 15 minutes. Looks about good. Alright, bye.